All right, we're back. Got the 450. Been working on getting a light bar set up for it. I started with acquiring one of those Trail Tech high output stator kits. So I started with that. It comes with the heavy flywheel. That's supposedly supposed to give 70-watt output. I mean, I haven't put a multimeter on it yet, but I got it all installed. I got all the Trail Tech stuff in there. You're supposed to, it gives you instructions on how to mount it and shit, which includes drilling into your frame. And I just stuck the battery right in the air box, and the regulator rectifier is right off to the side, just zip tied in there. All the riding type stuff I do, that should be more than enough to hold everything in. But it gives you this regulated output wire here, I believe, that you don't get power unless the bike's running off that one. And this one runs off of the battery, and that's where I hooked my light bar into, because I got a switch. So I just want to do power whenever. So we're going to have to see. But it seems to be all working good. I got a rough wiring going. So all I did was I got the ground from the light bar. And I ran that ground all the way to the battery ground. Very simple. Then I took a power line and I ran that one all the way to the switch. That goes into the switch, then it goes out of the switch into the light power. And so far, so good. I mean, it seems to be working okay. And we got light. It's nice and bright. It's not flickering. It don't look like shit, you know. So we're gonna have to see once I actually get this bad boy out there. See how it does. But I mean, really simple setup. I probably got $30-$40 into the whole thing, you know. I had some spare scrap pieces of stainless that I just made a couple brackets right off the top pinch bolts. I mean, very, very simple. You know, you put a little bend into that, bend over, then straight back up. Do the same thing on this side. Just got to kind of route it under and through your wires. And I don't know if you guys are running a bar pad. I had to cut it to get back on there. But, I mean, it's on there. And it's still below the top of the bars. So I know that's a lot of people's concerns, and I hear that a lot. Oh, I'm not going to throw a LED light bar on my bike, because as soon as I drop it, it's going to break off. Well, I mean, there's no way you're going to break that. If you're breaking that off, you hit something good. So yeah, just wanted to give a little update and show how I wired it up and what I got going. I mean, I don't really see too many videos on this, so I love watching my good old YouTube videos. That's how I learned to do a lot of stuff. So if I got a chance to make one and help somebody out, I'm gonna do it. Well, yeah, that's about it for now. Once I actually get it all together and back out there, we're gonna I'll make an update and we'll go over all the stuff we did and go from there. All right, you guys have a good night.